All right, here we have a 2019 Ford Fusion. It's a hybrid. How many miles are on it? 91,226. Got the check engine light. This is the fifth car that has came to us this week that has already been to Firestone and they couldn't figure it out. They said this one has a vacuum leak is what Firestone said. Said they did a smoke test and they couldn't find it. So, and it's a Ford Fusion, so, you know, PO 456 or I don't remember the other one right off the top of my head. But probably an EVAP code and probably a bad purge valve. Now that is the most likely. I mean, it definitely can be other things, but that's what you see on these little Fusions. That's usually what you see. So they said they did a smoke test, and they said it had a tire kit something, which I've also seen on these before, and that is just a reset. It's telling you to check the date on the spare tire kit, which is basically just probably a little compressor. But let's pop the trunk and see. Spare tire kit, compressor, and a thing of Fix-A-Flat, or just a thing of Fix-A-Flat. What the poop? Oh, personalized basketball there. Yeah, right here. Slime. So it just has a compressor and a thing of slime. So basically it just tells you to check that thing, check the date and stuff. So I'll do that in a minute. All right, let's see what we have for codes. Okay. I'm gonna do a whole scan. We have an EVAP system purge control valve, a circuit PO443, PO4ED, large leak detected, fresh air side, PO4EF, small leak detected, fresh side. Okay, same thing in the transmission. So the EVAP leak is the codes we have. It has ran all its tests. I know she did say that Firestone reset the check engine light, but oh look, you can hear the purge valve pumping right there. It's not even hooked up. Now, let's see. They probably, yeah, look how clean that is. On the where the hose goes on, you see how clean it is. So Firestone has unhooked that and they didn't hook it back up. So remove this little air dam where we can get in there better. Right there, they didn't hook it back up. So they was doing some testing. All right, so now what we want to do is unplug this. You heard that sucking air while the engine was running. So we want to unplug that and see if it still sucks air through there with the engine running. Now this is a hybrid, so I'm gonna have to hit the gas pedal and get out there real quick and look at it before it shuts off. Hey Bella, come and give this gas so I can, cause it won't stay running for me. just put your foot on the gas pedal. Just barely, just so it'll start up and run. It's a hybrid. Okay, so what we want to see is this sucking air with that unplugged? That's how you test these. So I just lick, yeah, go ahead. I just lick the tip of my finger and then touch that right there. Just kind of barely hold your, yeah, I feel it right there, sucking. Just barely hold your foot on the gas. Okay, listen. Well, you gotta keep it held on there, that way it'll stay running. Or just give it some gas. Yeah. So my finger is sticking to it, and it is sucking with that unplugged, which means that valve is stuck open. Not all the way, but it's stuck open because it's got vacuum sucking through there. All right, you can let off. So it definitely needs a purge valve. And as far as the reset goes for the tire kit, I'm sure it's going to tell me to check the date. Now I've only did a couple of these, ran into this a couple of times, and but I've never ordered the actual kit. Let's see. That's the, oh, that's got liquid in it. Okay. So let's see the expiration date. I should probably go into the scanner and see what all it tells me to check for. December 15th of 22. So if that's the case, it is out of date, and I will see about ordering, and that's just a little compressor, see about ordering another one of these for the customer, because they are in their first 30 days, even though that's probably still good. But here we have a 2019 Ford Fusion hybrid, and we are getting a mobility tire message, mobility tire kit, service mobility tire kit message in the cluster here. So with this pad here on the left, click over to the left, and then with the down button, go down to settings, then click OK, then click vehicle, OK, go down to tire mobility kit, click OK, and then you can reset. I'm going to click 4 years. We're going to buy a new can for this vehicle. Click 4 years. And I clicked OK. Let's see, let's shut the car off. Start the car back up. Hood ajar. Let's make sure that message went away. Ready to drive. Yep. So the message is gone. Now, to do it proper, you need to also replace your can if the date is expired, your can of slime that's in the trunk with the compressor. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you all have a great day. Alright, so here is the part number on the can for this vehicle. So you just find this can and check your date, and if it's expired and you want to get a new one, you just find the part number and call the dealership to get you a new can.